Okay, here I have a nice setup to share with you a few minutes about electronic component. This is actually a kit that you could use, and it's called electronic snap circuits. Have fun learning about electronics. Today we want to review some of the components that are part of this kit, and there's actually a bunch of them. We'll see how much we can do. All right, so let's start by the beginning, because the concept here is snaps, circuit snaps. You're gonna have all kinds of snaps. Let's start by let's start by these guys right here. So these are the single snaps, right? This little button there. These are the single snaps. You can use them to join a component. So single snaps, quite a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single snaps. You also have double snap right here. See them? You could do more joining of components. This is in place of wiring. Okay, so double snaps. You also have triple snaps. There we go. These are the triple snaps. They got 3 points of connections. Remember, we're looking to a snap kit here. Okay, so they are probably stored here. It's a spot for triple snap. Okay, and in addition to triple snap, you have conductor with 4 snaps. There we go. 4 snaps. There's multiple of those too. I believe that the next one is 6 snaps. Actually 5 snaps. We also have 6 snaps. So this is circuit snapping. It really a toy-like circuit maker that we're gonna use here for some of the future course development electronics. Okay, that's that. And then we got one here that is 7 snaps. Okay, they all serve different purposes, but here we go. 7 snap. Okay, so we got all the single circuit snaps, all right, aligned, and I want to keep this video under 10 minutes. So let's see, battery holders. We got a couple of those battery holders right here, and they basically hold AA batteries. You see that? It's going to be 3 volts with that double, and there's 2 of these guys. In other words, we got 2 power supplies that hold 2 1.5 volt batteries, AA. So those are the power supplies for the circuit. Okay, we got an antenna coil, and the antenna coil, forgive me, oops, I'm making some noise here. So this is the antenna coil right here. Looks like half of a transformer or something like that. That's the antenna coil. Okay, we got some light emitting diodes. This guy right here is a light emitting diode, right? That's the symbol, light emitting diode. All right, we got lamp sockets, and I think there's multiple of these. This is one type of a lamp socket. You can put the lamp right there, right? That's for that purpose. Okay, so lamp socket. All right, there's another lamp socket right here. Same idea, right? All right, so we got the lamp socket. There's actually a microphone that comes into this, and this is the microphone right there. Right in between is the microphone. So those are the terminals. Microphone. There's actually a power amplifier. I do not see it, but there is one power amplifier right here. That's a power amplifier. We'll learn about those as we go forward. Power amplifier right there. We got a couple of capacitors. This is a cap. That's the symbol. That's the component. Here we go. We got a capacitor right there. All right. Be like capacitor. Store and give. Okay, there we go. What else we got? There's actually different kinds of caps. These are polarized or, cylindrical capacitors. These are radial, non-polarized. So two kinds of caps. And there's multiple of those, right? Multiple caps on this kit. That's another one, 470 microfarad. We'll talk about that later on. So we got those caps. We got a number of resistors. Resistors are popular devices in electronics. That's a 100 ohm resistor. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors. There we go. That's what? 100K resistor. All right, we got that resistors. High frequency IC. There is a high frequency IC or integrated circuit. Let's see if I can get it out from this place here. That will be the high frequency IC. I'm sorry, I'm having troubles getting it out. I need a little screwdriver or something to pull it off ground. So that's a frequency IC. You see that? That's a high frequency IC. We got a PNP transistor. I believe that's one right here. PNP transistor, you see that one? There's the symbol, there's the label, number, and the snapping terminals. That's a PNP transistor. We got an NPN transistor right here. That's the opposite of that guy, PNP. We're going to learn about transistors as we go forward. Okay, what else we got here? Adjustable resistor. I wonder what that is. Adjustable resistor. This guy is a adjustable resistor. That's the symbol right there with the arrow. Adjustable resistor. Okay. What else do we got? A variable capacitor. There must be a variable capacitor. That actually is the switch. I'm not seeing that variable cap. Let's see, label 54. Right here. There we go. That's a variable capacitor right there. See the arrow and the cap symbol inside? So that's a variable capacitor. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. What we have. There might be a few more components in this kit, but essentially those are the ones that are. Okay, so we'll learn about some more components as we go forward. Those are going to be the basic ones that we're going to study and hopefully be able to assemble circuits with. Now, before we close the video here, I'm going to show you the breadboard here. It's a transparent breadboard. This is where circuits are built, and we got a couple alligator clips. This is how eventually you're going to end up connecting parts of these components to build a circuit. So that's coming up ahead. Thank you for your time. We'll be talking some more as we go forward. This was Dr. O with another video on electronic snap circuit. We'll see you on our next episode. Thank you so very much. All right, bye-bye. With love and enthusiasm, Dr. O.